Hello and welcome. My name is Sanya Vidakovic, and today I'm going to discuss Kittredge Magnet School's data overview. Kittredge Magnet School for High Achievers is an elementary school within the DeKalb County School District located in Brookhaven, Georgia, offering students in grades 4 through 6 an accelerated and enriched academic experience. The purpose of this data overview presentation is to take a closer look at the school's demographic and socioeconomic data, to review milestone and CRCT scores, to identify strengths and weaknesses, and to identify our next steps in the process. As you can see from the graph on this slide, about 273 students, or 60% of the student population at Kittredge Magnet School, identify as Caucasian, making up the largest segment of the student body. A typical school in Atlanta, for instance, is made up of 23% Caucasian students. So Kittredge Magnet School has a drastically different ethnic distribution compared to other schools in the district, the city. Males outnumber females at KMS, where the student body is composed of 54% male students and 46% female students. Looking deeper into the school's data, you can see that overall, 89% of all students at Kittredge Magnet School are enrolled in the Gifted and Talented program, which is much larger than the median across all reported schools in Georgia. Looking particularly at English language learners and students with disabilities, there are only 12% of students with learning disabilities and no ESOL students at all, meaning there is no ESOL program and there's only one special education teacher at the current moment at the school servicing students with learning disabilities. Few students receive free or reduced lunch at KMS compared to other schools in the Atlanta area and the state of Georgia. 11% of K-12 public school students at KMS participate in the National School Lunch Program. To qualify for free lunch, children's family income must meet a certain criteria. So 7.7% of students at Kittredge Magnet School receive free lunch. Now, in order to qualify for reduced lunch, children's family income must be below $21,500 of an annual income. So 3.3% of students at KMS receive reduced lunch, making KMS not a Title I school. Now that we've reviewed some significant information about Kittredge Magnet School, let's take a closer look at the data sources. The data sources that I'm going to present today are coming from the Georgia Milestones and the CRCT assessments, which were given to grades 4 through 6 at KMS in 5 different subject areas: reading, English language arts, mathematics, science, and social studies. With the implementation of the Georgia Milestones assessment system, Georgia educators have developed 4 achievement levels to describe student mastery and command of the knowledge and skills outlined in Georgia's content standards. The 4 achievement levels on Georgia Milestones are Beginning Learner, Developing Learner, Proficient Learner, and Distinguished Learner. Let's take a look at some actual data and take a closer look at the 4th grade milestone ELA scores from 2015. As you can see on the legend, the proficiency levels are labeled with different colors and range from beginning to distinguished learners. Kittredge Magnet School has a very low number of beginning and developing learners as compared to proficient and distinguished learners. You will notice this trend across the different grade levels as well. Here's a graph of all areas of the 4th grade milestones ranging from the year 2010 to 2015. What can you conclude after examining this graph? The highest drop in scores occurred in 2013 for all areas and picked up immediately to accelerating scores in the years that followed. I chose a different type of graph to represent 5th grade milestones in all areas, so that you could take a closer look at the areas and compare them to different years. Reading improved tremendously from 2010 to 2015. Social studies, on the other hand, showed a decline from 2011 to 2013, and just a slight increase in scores in the year 2015. Yet another type of visual to present our school's sixth grade data from 2010 to 2015. Reading, as you can see, remained at a steady score throughout all years, whereas social studies, once again, and this time science as well, took a significant dip in scores from 2014 to 2015.